Good day. Our lesson for today is all about the sum and the product of roots of a quadratic equations. Now, the sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is equal to negative b over a. The product of the roots of a quadratic equation is equal to c over a. So in other words, para makuha natin ang sum ng roots ng quadratic equation, kailangan natin ang value ng b at a. Sa product naman, ang kailangan natin ay value ng c at a. Now, let us proceed to example number 1. Find the sum and product of the roots of 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 equals 0. For step 1, find the values of a, b, and c. So the value of a is equal to 2, which is the coefficient of x squared. The value of b is equal to 8, which is the coefficient of 8. And the value of c is equal to negative 10, which is the constant term. And for step 2, compute the sum and product using the formulas. So let us find the sum. The formula is equal to negative b over a. So, ang value ng b natin ay 8. So, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng negative 8. Just bring down negative. And the value of b is equal to 8. So, therefore, we have negative 8. Ang value ng a natin ay 2. So, therefore, negative 8 divided by 2 is equal to negative 4. So, that is the sum of the product of the roots. How about the product of the roots? Ang ating formula ay c over a. Substitute natin ang value ng c, which is equal to negative 10. Again, ang value ng a ay equal sa 2. So, negative 10 divided by 2 is equal to negative 5. So, therefore, negative 5 is the product of the roots of a quadratic equation. For example number 2, find the sum and product of roots of x squared plus 7x minus 18 is equal to 0. Again, find the values of a, b, and c. The value of a is equal to 1, the value of b is equal to 7, and the value of c is equal to negative 18. Compute the sum and product using the formulas. The sum is equal to negative b over a, so just bring down negative, then the value of b is equal to 7, and the value of a is equal to 1. Negative 7 divided by 1, that is negative 7. So therefore, the sum of the roots is negative 7. And the product is equal to c over a. The value of c is equal to negative 18. The value of a is equal to 1. And negative 18 divided by 1 is equal to negative 18. So therefore, negative 18 is the product of the roots. For example number 3, find the sum and product of the roots of x